Welcome to PSA Trucks, where words like stock and basic no longer exist. An aftermarket heaven for those who crave performance. Today we're on site to showcase the latest MBRP options and what you can do to outfit your truck with MBRP. Our 3 truck installs will include the 2021 GMC Duramax outfitting with the MBRP DPF back, a 2020 Ram 1500 high-performance MBRP muffler swap, followed by a 2020 GM 1500 with MBRP's full catback system. So we got the DPF back on. You can see here those are the factory DPF and emissions stay in place. MBRP is going to pick it up right here, utilizing your exhaust sensors, looping into the factory mounting locations up over the axle, factory mounting locations, giving you your side exit, much better aesthetic look than the factory exhaust, complete with your dual wall MBRP tip. We just finished installing the high flow muffler. Picks it off the Ram factory front pipe here into our 3-inch mandrel bend pipe using factory mounting locations into our high flow muffler, back into the factory Y pipe up over the axle and completing with your Ram duals out the back bumper. So MBRP is a compliant company. You're going to notice the catback system is going to pick it up right here from the front pipe and carry it back using factory mounting locations, band clamps into our high flow single in dual out muffler, exiting here up over the axle. You're going to see that it's going to dump into your factory dual outlet exhaust. Folks, Canadian-made MBRP performance exhaust available here at PSA Trucks. Whether you're looking for a lifted truck or just a performance exhaust, just make sure to come by and ask their staff for your MBRP options. Catch you guys later.